What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Back to another Bad Fab video. Sorry for the little delay there. I was away on holiday, enjoying myself in Christchurch.
Yeah, and the week before that I was sick, so, you know.
Back to your regular Hayabusa content, hopefully.
We'll get this thing going.
Yeah.
Dylan's car's a bit broke.
Just like, as soon as you lost it, oh, so good.
The cylinder was down, so that makes sense.
Turbo line. Oh, yeah.
Oh mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.
Yeah, so.
I'll show you what I've done this last weekend. So I connected all those doodles up. Not finally welded or anything, but tensioner systems working, chains on, all ready to somewhat put in the engine bay after we tickle those up. Car's in the workshop, so we'll bring that in. Hopefully not too much cutting in the carb. Once we drop that in, there's one way to find out.
And then mount that up.
Yeah.
And mount the engine mounts up and we can go.
I like it.
Mate.
It's not any sideways.
Nah, it's a pull force.
Yeah.
A push and pull, so.
Yeah, so all the force is going straight into the bar. It's not the weld that's holding it together.
Yeah. And they go quite far up inside that tube as well, so.
Yeah. Nice meaty tip.
You mean. Axles are up.
Yeah.
Because then we'll get a rough idea.
Where we're going to place them.
We're going to place it.
Yeah.
You just need to slot the axles back into
Yep.
the hubs.
And then I've got that motor mount if we want to still use that, or just that location roughly to place the diff.
Yeah.
And then sort everything else out. But in the meantime, we'll probably get rid of that entirely. Don't need that. And we might cut this. Give us some room up the front.
Yeah. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
We'll place it in there first.
Yeah.
See exactly what we need to cut. And
Yeah.
where we need to cut it.
And then
Yes,
go.
we need to cut out good.
Oh, of course.
And that'll give us a rough idea on how we're going to mount the diff as well.
Yeah, because that'll be the first mount. And then from there, just off the sides, probably chop that out.
We're going to try and utilise these.
Either try and use them or just put new things down here a bit more if need be.
Because that'll be easy.
Yeah,
Just got to put another tube on there.
quite literally.
And then weld a couple of bars from there down to the...
Yeah, I like it.
Right, let's
Put her in.
put it in. Where it widens out.
Oh, yeah.
Right from there.
Yeah, so if we cut it straight at the kink or just behind it?
Just behind it, I reckon.
Where it squares up and
Yeah.
then put a place on there.
Yeah.
But yeah, got heaps of room, way more than I thought. Obviously that dip's just going to probably end up touching that steering rack, close to the better.
Just the mount. So
Yeah, it's just the mount, that's all good. Woo, she's going to look good.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be mean.
Yeah, now.
Roller.
It's just going to have like a tiny bit of the rocker cover. Well, pretty much the rocker cover on the intake sticking out.
Yeah, the goal's just the rocker cover,
Yeah.
I reckon, to be sticking out.
But we need to roll it down until these are square, like, you know, like level.
Yeah,
So yeah.
mate.
We'll take it back out, cut the bits and pieces out that we need to cut out,
Yep.
and then put it back in. Start making some engine mounts.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Yeah, mate.
Don't worry about the paint. Shoot around.
There we go.
That looks scrappy.
Record. Okay, so diff's roughly in position, sitting on a jack.
Roughly.
We're working on dropping this down, but as you can see, she's falling on an angle. We just got to prop up that side.
So we're just going to drop it down a little bit more to this side, roughly sitting where we want it.
Yep.
We're going to pick this side up, measure in there,
Yep.
go cut a piece of wood that will sit from the ground up underneath this engine mount,
Yep.
get the motor sitting level, and then essentially engine mounts.
Yeah, we just forgot to put the axles in it. So maybe we do that.
You will do that first, eh?
Yeah.
Or do, yeah, well, we'll get it sitting level, because then we know the bit of wood already. It should still be at the same height. You know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then
We'll put the
and then we
axles
put
in.
the axles in, and we'll get that distance, and then engine mounts.
Yeah.
Bam!
And sorted. Sweet. So after struggling for an hour, we have an axle in.
One axle.
Had to do some precise machining, but
Yeah, precise machining on the limiter, you know?
yeah, some of that stuff.
Yeah. Now
But she's
it
in.
fits. It
Yeah.
goes in. So, yeah, the splines will keep it central.
Yeah.
Should be right. Alright,
Jug it in.
we're gonna line that up, slot that in,
Yep,
figure out
yep.
where it's all gonna go, and make some engine mounts.
Yeah, it's time.
Then we'll be good to go.
I like it, I like it.
Yeah.
Aha! Okay, before we get too carried away.
We were.
Yeah, like we were.
The plan.
Yep.
Plan. This is the plan.
This is the plan,
Ready
guys.
for the plan?
Yeah.
This is the plan. Make sure you're listening. The plan is we're gonna get 2 bits of angle iron. We've got these 2 mounting holes here that are already kindly so not. One's tapped, eh?
No.
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 Okay, so we're gonna get a bit of angle iron. We're gonna come across here. We're
Yep.
gonna put 2 bolts down through there, and then we're gonna weld another piece of angle iron to that piece of angle iron at a 90-degree angle, and that will come up here, which
Yep.
will then get welded front and back onto this and bolt into that, and that is what's going to mount our diff.
Yep. And then
And then Dylan,
what I'm gonna do is with these little, whatever you call them, I'm gonna make a different motor mount out of C channel, but over here, and then send a couple braces up there, with a little bolt go through there that drops in.
bam.
Boom, bam. 3 mounts.
Then he's gonna do the exact same thing over here,
Yeah.
right here for that one. And then we have a mounted
Hayabusa.
Hayabusa motor in a Corolla.
That's sick.
That's sick.
That's fucking sick.
So, let's go make those engine mounts.
Yeah, mate, let's make it happen.
And then it's literally fuel tank, wiring, clutch and shifter,
Yep. Just little odds and ends.
driving Hayabusa Corolla.
Yeah.
We're on.
We on. There we go. Got the welder out. That means good things are happening. Got all the tools out. Check out what Britain's done in there. Got to install the factory mount. Chucked that in. Put a little L bracket on it. And look at that nice bead. That ain't fucking going nowhere. Yeah, so that's sorted. We've got 2 little mounts we're about to buzz in right now. And from there we'll do a little and vice versa on that side.
That should be pretty well done.
Yeah. Oh, get some welding going. Yes. No.
Fuck off, rain.
Motor mount. Oh, damn rain.
Just as we finish and we need to push this onto the trailer.
Oh, love that. Love that.
Why could you hold out for like another 10 minutes?
Straight up. What a shit.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes.
Other than that,
More importantly,
motor mount. She's secure. She's secure. We are secure.
alright.
Drop her down, mate. Fucking do the honours.
Oh,
Oh, oh, it's not on a crane.
it's on wood, but
Yeah. Oh, the shrop's a bit mounted, but I saw a bit of heat. Look at that. Crane ain't doing shit. Oh, lost the harness. Just sit on those blocks. Wiggle that out.
Oh,
One more, yeah. Oh, she's a...
Why is it so stiff?
Oh, that middle one.
Oh, the fucking diff one.
I was like, bro, why is it like rocking in the middle like a fucking toy car?
Oh my god.
Do you need a Hummer?
Yeah.
Oh, that drop. I mean, there's a bit of weight in the car now, eh?
Yeah, now it's back level. Oh, she's level again.
Bro, these shocks are good.
Oh, I'm stoked.
Yeah,
She's in there.
I'm stoked as. She's in there solid.
Yeah, coming out.
The only thing that looks scary is it's like oil pan right there.
Oh. All pan is touching front cross member.
Oh yeah, that little bit right there.
Those two out for those two bolts.
Oh bro, an oil change is gonna be a fucking, I mean, a effing cunt. Oh
Take the
well,
motor out for that.
easy enough, done it a few times.
Undo the two front engine mounts, lift it up slightly,
Oh yeah,
and then we can undo it.
yeah, we know.
But still,
Yeah. Well, she's mounted in. I'd say
Oh.
it's a good day's effort.
that's a great day's effort.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Me, is this it for this one?
yeah, mate. Oh,
Then yeah.
I'd love to see the axles in, get the wheels spinning for you guys, but
There's been a few things that have set us back that we weren't expecting.
yeah, and I'd rather get this video out
Yeah.
sooner.
We think when
Then
we
give it a week.
pressed the bearings on or welded the diff, it's changed some dimensions inside. And now the axles don't really want to go in anymore, so
Nah.
a little bit of machining as we said on the Linisher.
And she went in.
She's
So-
in now,
so
so
we
we
have-
just have to do the same for the driver's side one.
Yep,
And then that'll go in,
yep.
and then wiring.
We're rocking and rolling, really. Those go right there.
Yeah, look at that.
That's
Look at
throttle.
that. It's
That's
like,
choke.
it's like fucking Suzuki and Toyota were like, yeah mate, make
Oh.
that shit usable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Love that. Love that.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today. 'Cause,
Yeah.
I did. So
Mean.
we'll catch us in the next one. And
Yeah.
hopefully this will be spinning the wheel.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I don't even know what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab.